Everyone, myself Shambhavi Patil. I am studying in 9th standard Dhwani classes J. My topic is on plant tissues. I am going to tell about the types of tissues, plant tissues, the types of plant tissues, meristematic tissues, permanent tissue, xylem, phloem, parenchyma, collenchyma and the sclerenchyma. From the cell, the tissue is found. From the tissue, organ. From the organ system. From the organ system, the organisms. Organs like our kidney, heart and many more. Organ systems like our digestive system and respiratory systems and many more. The organisms. We are the organisms. There are two types of tissues, plant tissues and the animal tissue. I am going to only explain about the plant tissue. Plant tissues. There are two types of the plant tissues. There are meristematic and the permanent tissue. Meristematic tissues. Meristematic tissue are those tissues which have the capability to divide. There are two types of meristematic tissue, the primary meristem and the secondary meristem. Meristematic tissue means which have their capability to divide, and there are two types of the meristematic tissue. They are primary meristem and the secondary meristem. Primary meristem. These helps in the primary growth of the plants. These help secondary meristem. These helps in the growth of the shoots and the tips of the roots. There are three types of secondary meristem. They are apical meristem, intercalary meristem and the lateral meristem. The apical meristem is found in the top layer The apical meristem is found in the top of the plant, and in the middle the intercalary, and in the low the lateral meristem. Permanent tissues. These are the tissues which have lost their capability to divide. There are two types of permanent tissue, the simple permanent and the complex permanent tissues. The simple permanent tissues, these are the types made up of cells which are similar in structural and functional. There are two types of simple permanent tissue, protective simple permanent and supporting simple permanent. These are the types of tissues which are similar in structures and they perform the same functions. Complex permanent tissue. This consists more than one types of tissues. They have the vascular tissues. They are known as the xylem and the phloem. Xylem transfer water and minerals throughout the plant, and the phloem transfer food throughout the body. Phloem consists four types of elements. They are pseudotubes, companion cells, phloem fibers and the phloem parenchyma. Parenchyma, it is the fundamental tissue which are in the oval shaped or in the spherical in structure. Chloroplasts are present, so it is called as sclerenchyma, not the collenchyma. A type of parenchyma containing air space between them, so it is called as the aerenchyma. In the parenchyma, in that one type of tissue it is which have the gap between them, so the air can escape, so it is known as aerenchyma. Collenchyma, it is the living mechanical tissue which is present in the margins of the leaves. It have only few chloroplasts, gives mechanical strength and elastic to the growing stem. Sclerenchyma, it is the strengthening tissue. Lignin is present in it. Lignin is a waterproof material. Thick secondary cell wall, it has a primary cell wall. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel Dhwani classes J.